Hi, it's Juliet from My City Plants. The spring is slowly emerging. I don't know about you guys, but I can't wait and so ready to hear the birds singing, warmer sun rays, and seeing new leaves growing on plants and trees. Spring and summer is active growth periods for plants. Our job is to provide the right environment, conditions, and nutrients for our plants to help them to recover from the cold season and help them to grow new and healthy leaves. Today I will talk about how I fertilize plants and what is my favorite plant food that I use and recommend. Plants have been a part of my life for more than 20 years. On this channel, I am sharing with you my experience and tips about how to grow healthy and happy plants. First, let's talk about when not to fertilize your plant. When you get yourself a new plant, it has been fed very well in the greenhouse and there is plenty of nutrients left in the soil for your plant to use and keep growing. Another time when you do not need to fertilize your plant if you just freshly repotted your plant. Most potting mixes already have fertilizer mixed in, so you do not need to add extra. So if you just got a new plant or freshly repotted, you can wait for 6 to 12 months before fertilizing your plant. Now let's talk about when to feed your plants and how. There are many different fertilizers out there. Some of them are all natural, organic, synthetic, some come in a liquid form, granular form, spikes, spray form, some are specified for certain plant types. It can get overwhelming. It can take a lot of space in your closet or cabinet if you'll try to have a different fertilizer for different plant types. Luckily, there are all-purpose fertilizers, and I have found a plant food that works for all plant types, non-chemical, all-natural, very gentle formula. Plant food, even if used often or for a long period of time, will not burn leaves or roots. This plant food, by the way, can be used any time of the year and all year round. I have been using Good Dirt plant food for a few years now. I cannot be happier. My plants love this vitamin cocktail and grow strong and healthy roots and leaves. So when and how I use my favorite plant food. I feed my plants from March till September. The Good Dirt plant food can be added to water every time you water your plants. 1 tablespoon of Good Dirt plant food makes 1 gallon of fertilizer. Here I have, it's like half a gallon of watering can, so I'm going to use half of tablespoon, which is 1 teaspoon. I will just simply add it in water, mix it up, and then slowly water plant. Just make sure I'll get all the soil around the plant. And that's it. I also use this plant food during winter season for plants that did not go completely dormant and still grow some new leaves. If plant has no new growth at all, do not feed this plant. It's clearly asleep and will not be able to absorb any nutrients. During cold seasons, I will use plant food only every other watering. So during active growth period from March till August, I'll add the plant food in water every watering, and during cold seasons, every other watering. For the majority of other fertilizers, I have just one advice for you. Use half of the recommended on the label amount to avoid over-fertilizing and burning roots and leaves. Wishing you and your plants fun and joyful springtime. Like this video if you did, subscribe to our channel and keep the notifications on so you do not miss any of our new videos about plant care, plant decor, plant issues, and much more. Thank you for watching and have a great day.